We witnessed an awesome inauguration of our competence center here in India. Many guests joined us for this event, and also tonight we're having a great celebration. There's much of joy and laughter amongst colleagues, customers, partners. It was an incredible day, and it gave us a grasp of the great potential and the future of this country here in India.
It was a wonderful event. Coming to India also is a very positive thing for Indian manufacturers. It's a real technology show, and the support Shyam and his team is giving is wonderful.
We suggest the Blum probes to our suppliers also and other OEMs also. The product wise, the precision wise, Blum is the first one.
I've been associated with Blum since last 14 years. The technology is fantastic, and we have been very happy and continuously using in all our machines. And we are very proud to have an association with Blum-Novotest.
After a grand inauguration ceremony in Competence Center, everyone assembled together at Taj, Bangalore to celebrate the success.